I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss 6 amazing, awesome icons bundles websites. They are very useful for you if you are working as a graphic designer. So let's start today's lecture. So first of all, we are going to discuss the first website is rebaxicon.com. This is very beneficial website, and Rebax icon is a set of open source natural style system symbols. And if you want to work as a designer, so you can use and you can easily access out this website. They are very useful for designers as well as developers. So move on the next website. This is called the Icon Hub website. Obviously, it's very stunning, useful icon for everyone. Save your penny and time creating for a scratch. Use these diverse icon sets to complete your design. So obviously, collections of icons are already available here. They are the awesome icons if you want to access for your projects. So you can easily access out all these icon bundles. So next, move on the cool icons websites, and this is also the very useful website for the designers as well as if you are create the project, like if you are working as a programmer and if you want to take icons for your programming software, so you can use this website. So cool icons are perfect for use in web and mobile. Support for SVG, your favorite designs, tools and web font. Completely free, obviously, and the open source as well. So move on the next website. This is called the Tabler icon. Obviously, you can also change the color of your icon if you want to change the color or the relevant icon related to your project. So you can easily change the color of your icon. So 142 for open source free icons available here, highly customizable. It means that if you want to change the color, you want to change the size, the stroke, XYZ, so you can easily change out on this website. Obviously, if you want to use all the icon website for your commercial purpose as well. So move on, the next website is called Tiny Icons, and elegant icon set available here with more than 1,000 icons are available. And if you want to increase the size, styling of your icon, so you can also use this. So last on the list, we are going to discuss the H icon website. This is the very vector icon website, and it's very beneficial for the designers as well as developer if you are working any app, any mobile app, so you can easily access out. So I hope today's lecture you can easily understand. If you have any query, you can pass comments as well. So please, if you still not subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe, and don't forget to like my video as well as my channel. So please share my video. I need your support. So I hope today you can easily understand our lecture. Inshallah, we will meet again soon for the new playlist series. So till, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.